If you've ever wanted a YouTube channel that makes money while you sleep, listen up. 2025 is the year that dream gets real. And in this guide, I'm giving you the entire step-by-step playbook to build an automated, faceless channel from scratch. Hey there, my name is Wiz from Big Wiz Media, and I'm talking directly to you, the camera-shy creator, the behind-the-scenes strategist, the automation enthusiast. This is your masterclass. We will go from zero to a fully operational channel using smart AI tools like Heygen, ChatGPT, and Canva to create everything for us. The channel branding, the AI avatar and voiceover, and the final polished video editing. No filming, no expensive gear, just a proven system. By the end of this video, you will have a channel that is ready to get views and grow. The only thing you need to do is follow along. Ready to build your empire? Let's get started. First up, every empire needs a foundation. Let's create your channel and design a banner in Canva that stops the scroll. Let's go, buddy! We'll begin by creating the channel the right way. Open your browser and search for YouTube Studio. Click on the first search result. Log in with the email you wish to use. I created an entirely new email for this, so I'll log in with that. Now, let's give our channel a name. You can always change this later, so don't overthink it. Hit Create Channel and click Continue to Studio. Click the Settings gear, click Channel, and select the country of origin. I'll go with United States. Let's use ChatGPT to create some descriptions and generate tags and hashtags for the channel. This helps with search visibility and makes the channel SEO optimized. I'll go ahead and log in. Then tell ChatGPT what I want, which is a description for an AI YouTube channel. And hit Generate. Once done, I'll copy the tags, come to YouTube Studio, and paste them under Advanced Settings. I won't change anything there. Under Feature Eligibility, make sure to verify All. All should tick green. I'll verify my phone number. However, I'll upload my passport later, so let's proceed. I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the description we created earlier. Then go to YouTube Studio, click Customization, and paste it there. We can also paste some tags in the default post settings. And under Visibility, select Unlisted. Now, select the category your channel falls under and choose a channel language as well. Now let's do the branding. We'll use Canva to create banners and logos. I'll go to Canva and search for a logo. I'll then browse the collection of logos available, select one, and customize it to my liking. Let's do it. This seems okay. Let me just save it. Let's create a banner now. I'll search for YouTube banners. Select one and customize it as well by changing the names to my YouTube channel's name. I'll download it after the customization is done. Let's go back to YouTube Studio and set them up. I'll upload both the logo and the banner and publish. Remember to add an email address so people can easily reach out for business proposals. Let's go through the settings one more time. Under Community Moderation, I'll add a few words I don't want people to use in comments on my videos. I'll save it and publish. Now let's create our avatar using Sora AI. In ChatGPT, click the hamburger menu and click Sora. It will open a new tab. On the Sora platform, click the Edit icon. Since I want my avatar to look like me, I'll upload 2 of my pictures, provide a prompt, and hit Remix. I'll have to choose a username. Also make sure you choose a 3:2 aspect ratio. Hit Remix again. Our avatar will start generating. Once done, download it to your device. I think Hedra AI will give us a better-looking avatar, so let's use that. Open a new tab and visit Hedra. Click Sign Up and sign in with Google. Accept the terms and conditions and proceed. Now click Image. Just so you know, I have a full tutorial on this tool in the description or up there in the corner. Select our image, provide a prompt, and hit Generate. The image will start processing. This is awesome. Let's download it and move to the next stage. Let's upscale the image using Canva. Open Canva, click the Edit icon, upload and select the avatar we just created. Then click Use in a new design. Go to Apps, look for Image Upscaler, select the page and click Continue. Increase the size to the maximum and click Export to Upscale. Once the image is done upscaling, add it to the design. delete the foreground image, and scale the upscaled image to cover the 16:9 aspect ratio. Download the image to your device. It's now time to animate it. But before that, let's generate some AI voiceover using Google AI Studio. Open your browser, search for Google AI Studio, and click on the native speech generation result. You can click the settings gear to change the page to dark mode if you prefer. Click the icon next to the settings and select Single Speaker Audio. Type what you want your avatar to say. Select a voice actor and hit Run. Once it's done generating, download it to your device. I'll generate one more. Now, let's do the animation. Open a new tab, search for Heygen, click the first search result, and click Sign Up for Free. We'll be using a disposable email, so open another tab and search for Smail Pro and click on Temporary Email Tools. Click the plus icon to generate a new email address. Copy the newly generated email address and go back to Hegen and paste it there. A verification code will be sent to you. Copy and paste it into Hegen. Select a password and confirm the password. Once you're in Heygen, click Avatar Video IV, upload the upscaled avatar image, select the audio we generated with Google AI Studio, give it a prompt like make realistic hand gestures and head movements while talking, and hit Generate. Let's do the same for the second audio. Our videos will be in line for processing. Once they're done, I'll show you how to edit them with CapCut. Note, that will just be a basic edit. I might do a full tutorial on how I edit my videos if this video gets a positive response. Leave a comment if you want to see such a tutorial from me. Good, the videos are ready. I'll download them to my device and show you how to edit them. Open CapCut on your phone and import all your clips. Let's begin by placing text behind the subject. I'll split where I want the text to appear and duplicate the clip. Then I'll select the duplicate and overlay it. I'll remove the background of the overlaid video. Once done, I'll type the text, choose my preferred template or style, select the text and look for layers. I'll then bring the text behind the subject. Let's add some B-rolls. You can search for some in CapCut. I'll add transitions as well. I'll add captions and sound effects to make it fun to watch. I'll add something to cover the watermark . And adjust the colors a bit or add a filter as well. Now I'll export the final video. Watch the results next. Hello guys, welcome to Big Wiz Media. My name is Narco Wiz. I'm your tutor for today. Like this video if it's helpful. This video showed you how to create a fully functional faceless YouTube channel from the ground up. Thanks for watching.